Okay.
It's been raining for too long.
Mom, is it almost time to eat? I'm hungry. It's done. Done! Wow, noodles! They look so good.
Eat slowly.
We're almost there. Yaki tonight.
Keep going.
Let's go outside.
Add more, Mom.
Slowly, so they cook just right.
Good things are worth waiting.
They're almost ready, huh?
Yeah, they smell really good.
Here you go, sweetheart.
Thank you, Mom.
Careful, it's really hot.
Wow, look at that. It's so beautiful.
Look, they're like little stars.
They're like little stars.
It's time to sleep now.
You both played so well today. It's starting to rain. Quick, let's get into the car.
That was a long day. Let's get some rest.
The waves are chasing my feet. Take that.
Oh no, you got me. I'm coming to get you.
Come quickly, the food is ready. We're coming, look at the waves.
Careful, it's still warm.
I like eating together like this.
Come here.
wonderful. Thank you so much.